Iron, a metal that has shaped human history for thousands of years, from the ancient tools and weapons of our ancestors to the modern technologies we rely on today. Iron has been an essential part of human civilization. The earliest evidence of iron use dates back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and the Sumerians. They used iron to make tools, weapons, and jewelry, but the process of smelting iron was difficult and time-consuming. It wasn't until the Middle Ages that iron production really took off. The invention of the blast furnace and the use of coal as a fuel source made it possible to produce iron on a large scale. This led to the growth of iron-working industries and the rise of powerful economies. As the demand for iron continued to grow, so did the mining industry. Mines like this one were excavated deep into the earth to extract the raw materials used to make steel. Steel, which is an alloy of iron, is stronger and more durable than iron alone. Today, steel is used in everything from cars, airplanes, trains, buildings, bridges, and even in the construction of dams, wind turbines and solar panels. Iron and steel are an essential part of our daily lives. The next time you see a car drive by or a building in the distance, remember the history of iron and steel, and the hard-working men and women who extract the raw materials that make our modern world possible.